So, Germany tsaka Netherlands, no? So, hindi ko na tinapos kasi tambak eh. Massacre yung ginawa nung Germany na alam naman nating reigning World Cup champions. Sila yung champion ng World Cup. At syempre, expected na nilang manalo against Netherlands na hindi natin alam kung bakit natambakan. Siguro ako sa tingin ko parang pina-fine tune lang ng Germany yung kanilang laro. Parang walkthrough lang yung kanilang nagiging laro na inilalagay nila na in a game situation, which is napaka-importante naman para sa isang basketball team. Nagwo-walkthrough ka with the referee at yung kalaban. No, both offense and defense ginagawa mo on an actual game situation. Hindi kasi pag sa practice kayo mabuti na yung may kalaban at may referee. Kumbaga in a tune up game environment or na friendly game environment. So mas okay yung ganun. So kahit tambak yung scorean, ang inaano mo naman wino-walk through o fine tune mo yung ipapakita mo sa Olympics. So yun lang po.